This brief video will show you how to change the master code on your interactive security alarm system. Prior to programming the new master code, you will need to know the current master code. To change the master code, you will enter User Code Programming by pressing *5. Then enter your current 4-digit master code. Then press 40. Then enter the new 4-digit master code. Then press the pound button 3 times to exit programming. Your new master code has been saved and the old one will no longer work. We hope this video has been helpful. For other informative videos, feel free to browse our website, and as always, thank you for choosing Interactive Security.